I've been really busy. It's the finals week. I've been taking tests. I'm almost done though. I got 2 more to go. One on Friday and one on Sunday, and then I'm done. And we will be heading into Christmas break. It's gonna be a nice long one. Spending time with family and friends. So I'm excited, yo. I can't wait. I need a break. But I like working, not gonna lie. Traffic don't look too bad as of right now. So I picked up the camera and decided to record. Oh my gosh, what is happening? I can't see. We're gonna have to move away from him. He's making us go blind. Like it's Mario Kart or something. We're not in the mood for that right now. I'll take my words back, yo. Traffic is crazy. Traffic is terrible right now. Oh my gosh. I mean, we moving a little bit, but not really the way I wanted it to move. It's all good though, we'll get there eventually. Hey, yeah. I definitely don't want to lift nothing because I think I had like a little fever and I'm only now starting to recover. So I don't want to make things worse for myself. I don't want to recover and then go back into even more pain again. You know, I just want to take my time, you know. I don't need to be in a rush to nothing. You gotta take things nice and slow and be good. Let me adjust my mirrors a little better. I want to see everything. see everything. I don't want to miss out on nothing. Okay, that should be better now. Now I can see like both lanes over there. Yeah, I don't want to make the whole video about traffic, so I'll be right back when things get a little lighter. Yo, I'm back. I know the scenery looks very different now. That's because I finally got out of traffic all fucking day, yo. It's crazy. But I'm in the city now. I'm about to, oh yeah, what time is it? 4:44. Oh gosh, yo. This is insane, yo. But yeah, I'm about to find parking and then head to the building to go to the gym. Only because I gotta do work afterwards. I came all the way out here to just get the driving out the way and then get some work done with my friend. So I was like, you know what, let me just make sure I'm here already. And the school gym is not bad, so you know what, let me post up right here. I think that guy is double parked. Yeah. I'm getting real close. Oh shit. I like this. Hold on. This is actually perfect for me. I don't gotta walk too far. Let me see if I can find a park on this street. What the hell with that biker doing? Alright, I'm posted up right here. Let me give this taxi man space to pass. There you go. Posted right behind this Kia. How close am I to the curb? I can't tell. It's mad dark, so I don't know. Just gonna have to guess. I'll pull up right here. I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little video. I know there was a lot of traffic, nothing really I could do about that, but I will see you guys again very soon. Peace.